finish, I'll be taking their ass out.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. at your beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, do me a favor, hit me off with 400 likes on this joint, please.
Don't beg.
But anyway, yo, I ain't even trying to hold y'all. Y'all see by the title, this is a double unboxing, so let's get to unboxing. I hope that worked, because can't do it again. But anyway, yo, first package we got here is from Stockx Clothing. Shout out to Stockx Clothing. You already know, use my discount code WAVY. Save 25% off your purchase. When should you not use my discount code? Oh, that's easy. Whenever they say that they got a 40% sale during the holidays, don't use my code.
I know that.
Coming through, coming through. All right, first up, got that jersey. Yeah, you know, that good quality too. I ain't even gotta, you know what I'm saying? Ain't even gotta tell you about it. Boom. Dang. Get it. Number 6 at the back. I ain't really gotta tell y'all that these are for the Jordan 6, right? No, right? Infrared joints? But yo, check this out. You even got like the Mitchell & Ness joint, bam, right there. Downtown collection. Yeah, I love these jerseys, boy. Word, they feel good. Quality's great. Look, this is stitching too. Let y'all see. The stitching, this ain't none of that iron on.
White niggas ain't even got this.
No, sir. My Mitchell & Ness be extra large, but these joints, these are large, so they fit, like they really hit on me quick. Pause. Whatever, man, get me out of here. Anyway, hit on me quick. Boom. Oh, snap. Damn, man. We got 2 jerseys. Damn, I can't even open this up. Boy, be in the gym for no reason.
Them teeny weeny arms and those skinny weeny legs.
Damn. Sorry, Hulkamaniacs. Boom. Got another joint. Ballers. Bam. This is for the Jordan 9s, the Carolina Navy joints. Boom, again. Number 9 stitched on the back. Ballers in the front.
You know how to go down.
Now this is a white joint. I can already tell that, you know, a white tee is a white tee back about the wall, like some hot coffee with this one, you know what I'm saying? Or it's gonna be one of those One Rock champions, you know what I'm saying? Word, like you can get one and then you can get a chill out of it, then it's, woo, you know, so back up off that wall, word. All right, next up, we got a t-shirt. Slaying competition. Yo, man, shout out to Stockx, man, they get it, you know what I'm saying? They get it. That re-up cometh, you know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. Yo, paid in full. Ooh, that go Mitch joint right there. Word. My bad. I said I was gonna leave that squeaky voice back in 2018. All right. All right, next up. Let's see what we got here. Don't walk, hustle. I like this joint right here. This is a nice joint. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, like the traffic light. Word. Stop all that walking out there. Boom. All right. Back to the 9s. Boom. We dope hustlers. Maybe if I could take the context of like we just hustle real dope, but not if I rock this, it wouldn't be like meaning like I'm hustling dope, cause you know me.
We just say no to drugs.
You know. Next up, woo, we dripping, and it keeps coming. You know.
Pause. All right.
On the joint. Boom, cold cash. That's how we like it. Cold and cash. You know what I'm saying? Boom. And last one. Oh, yeah. Thank you. This is a TBT. Thank you so much. Hell yeah. This one I've been wanting. I did not have this in my collection. The Crime Inc. I've been wanting this joint. You already know. You got Chapo. You got Pablo. You got Noriega. And you got Griselda Gang. You already know, man. Shout out to Buffalo. Yeah? Word. Hell yeah. No, I appreciate this. Like I said, use my discount code WAVY, save 25% off your entire purchase. Best time to use it is during, if you find like a sale going on some joints. I ain't saying like if they got the 40% sale, you can't use my joint. But oh, another thing, because they do have a sale section, this all intertwines. When you get that 40%, you find some joints like in the sale section like this for like, I don't know, them joints be like 16 bucks, 9 bucks, Boy, 40% off that, I don't know, because my math is bad, but anyway, man, you get the point, right?
No, sir.
Now, the only question is, where do I keep all this, you know what I'm saying? Word. Yo, shout out to Stockx again, man. Word. Who said Queens and the BX couldn't get along? All right, no wavy magic needed, let's just get into it. All right, boom. I got this pair of sneaks from Stockx. This is my first Stockx pickup. I actually copped these about a week ago or something.
we tweaking, ho, tweaking, ho.
I thought that they was gonna take a little longer to get to me. I was gonna be a little tight, but it's all good. All right, if you haven't checked out my 3 sneakers that broke my heart or some sneakers that broke my heart, check that vid out, because this was one pair from last year that I was not able to get. I just knew I was gonna get these joints, but it didn't happen like that. So, here we go. Damn, see? I'm trying to unbox. Pause.
Come on!
I'm not gonna do a review. The only thing I wanna do, show you these joints, talk about them for a split second on how I'm gonna rock them, and then you already know what time it is after that. Them on feet, top 5, may I add? So anyway, man, boom. You got your size 10 Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Pine green, black sail. And niggas know how to read?
They can hardly read.
Yo, I got them. I did get them. And cool, we got Stockx. All right, ooh. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I got my shits, boy. I got them. Hell yeah. Boom. Put this joint right here. This joint. Hey, does it come with the, okay, cool. I got the Stockx verified tag. There you go right there. Heard it means nothing, but you know. Let me see, let me see. Don't got that new smell, but you know what I'm saying? They new to me. Anyway, finally got them damn pine green ones, man. Yo, I wanted these so bad. Man, you don't even know, boy. Man, that green was hitting in these joints, for real. Check them out, let me just give y'all a few looks. Y'all already seen them, y'all seen them before, so ain't no reason doing no review. But boy, yo, I am hyped, brother. I'm glad I got these. I was sipping one night and I said, you know what? I need to get a sneak. Let me go back and find out what I didn't get. No, not find out, but let me go back and cop something that I didn't get. And this was like #1 on the list right now. You know what I'm saying? Well, #1, economical. You know what I'm saying? So Stockx, they do the PayPal. I'm doing the PayPal same as cash for 6 months. So I'm gonna slow roll them a little bit. It breaks down to 41. I paid, they came to like 250. I know what you're probably gonna say, oh, boom, boom, had them for 225. That's cool. Where was you when I needed that? Yeah, so I'm paying 250, $41 a month. I think my math is a little bad, but you know that 41 is some change. I don't know. I'm just paying $10 a week, so I pay these joints off. So I'm pretty happy with my purchase. But yo, I can't wait to the summertime. You know what I'm saying? Gotta either gonna get like the Timberwolves shorts. I don't know. I might look at the Boston Celtics, but yo, Timberwolves, first thing that came to mind. I'm just so glad I got these, man. Shout out to the homie, Photo Fresh. You actually tried to secure a pair for me after the fact. I kind of knew that it wasn't gonna go down, but I kept hope alive. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm about to get to this on foot. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me. Shout out to the Wave Mom, everybody with the comments and all that. Y'all going after the Turbo ones or the Infrared 6s? I'm definitely going after both. I want to double up on the 6s. Shout out to Flyest Trucker.
Earl, leave that nigga alone.
You know, you was one of the only to hit me up like, yo, again, you know, I appreciate you for that, because you know, the 6s, those are my favorite Jordans of all time, yo. That was my first pair ever, you know what I'm saying? So I love these joints. I gotta double up on them. The Turbo Green ones, another cop. I love the vintage look. They look pretty smooth. I can see myself rocking them with like some, like a Charlotte Hornets jersey, that #2 grandmama joint, you already know. And you already know when it comes to rocking them with the Infrared 6s. Not really diverting from anything. I still would like to get a Chicago Blackhawks jersey. That's on my bucket list too, to actually go to Chicago and go to a Blackhawks game rocking the jersey. You know what I'm saying? That'd be totally dope. Word, hell yeah. But anyway, oh, and I want to challenge the pizza. Nah, but I fuck with the deep dish. But anyway, about to get up out of here, you already know. Hit me off for 400 likes on this joint, man. And I'm about to get into this on foot, top 5 best on foot on YouTube.
You think I came here to play with these kids?
Yes.
Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy, you already know this my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
When you ask the streets, who's the hottest nigga, bar for bar, look for look, bitch for bitch, That's me, bro.
King chip, extra fresh, put that on my mama now. Light skin with the men's chilling right beside of him. Booty California, shout out to my cousin Jonathan. He been in jealous whole life, now he out here trying to win. Yeah, I'm swagging like Deion Sanders. When he had the jury curling all the answers, they gon' talk about the king until the end of time. If I keep breath up in my lungs, and bitch, you know I'm finna grind. King chip worth more than Wells Fargo. Put the blunt out on the glass in the marble. Here this nigga go, so full of himself. Oh God, give me head, bitch. Blow job better than no job. She love the way I don't care. Wanna get married to me. Watching news in Cleveland, scarier than scary movie. Smoking in my hotel at the Ritz, trying not to ass on tits. However you feel about Chip Show ain't gonna change all this.
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas.
Promise not many niggas living like this. If I was on the toilet, I still wouldn't get two shits. When I spray the tech, all your niggas gon' desert you. Knowing not to fuck with King Chip is a virtue. Put up and she got him wearing nothing but a leather coat. Damn, that pussy wet when she got out, had on my leather soap. Don't be chasing women if she wanna go do so.
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up.
I'm the most organic rap nigga in the galaxy. I don't fuck with broke hoes, bitch, that's my policy. We ain't got no blunts, oh fuck it, roll a joint then. King Chip swagging on your daddy and your boyfriend. Offer me the pussy, I ain't about to ask, can I? Living on the road, got my condo in the semi. Who gives a fuck if you Democrat or Repub? Is you ballin' like a king or is you broke as the fuck?
Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. Y'all niggas got